Okay, this afternoon I would like to do an unboxing of a new coding robot that we've just brought in called Codey Rocky. And so Codey Rocky is from the company Make Block, who make a number of good educational robots. So let's open this up and see what we've got in the box. So we'll take off this cellophane wrap. Oh, no, we fold it over. Okay, so it lifts up like this. And we've got, of course, our little manuals, a little bit of information, quick start guide for Codey Rocky here. We've got some labels for him, some safety instructions. And then we've got the main body of Codey Rocky. And you can see it's not a huge piece. It's a fairly small little piece, and it's going to attach into another chassis that's going to be found under here. So here's our chassis for Codey Rocky. And it's got some lights on it. It's got some kind of tank tracks here on the bottom. We've got this controller with the screen, and it just clips in there. It just slid in really nicely. Felt like it magneted right into the chassis. And then I would imagine we've probably got some charging equipment in here. So let's see what we've got here. We've got a lanyard and we've got our charging cord. So we're going to need to have a charging block to plug into, or we'll have to charge into a computer. It is a USB-B connection to go into the computer. So we're not on USB-C with this guy here. And I'm expecting that we will be charging right there. Okay, so we've got like a USB mini, maybe, might be a micro. And we're gonna have to plug this guy in for a little bit to get him to charge. But he's a good little classroom robot here. He's designed for ages 6 and up. Now our 6-year-olds, of course, are gonna need a little more assistance with Codey Rocky than some of our older kids. But he is designed for ages 6 and up. The initial programming goes in through a Scratch style Blockly coding, and then it's shown on the screen in Python coding. Now you can't edit the Python code, you can only edit the Blockly code, but super durable here for a classroom. There's really nothing that can be lost from Mr. Codey Rocky. He's just a face with some ears. We've got a screen here, nice little controller screen, and a power cord. So this guy looks like not tons you can lose in your classroom, not much you can break in your classroom. So he's probably a pretty good little starter robot. So we're going to have to program him using MBlock 5. MBlock is Make Block's coding platform. And so we will have to install MLink from the Chrome Web Store into our Chromebook. So just the Add to Chrome button. And from there, we should be able to start putting a little bit of code into Mr. Codey Rocky. So that's what's in the box for our Codey Rocky robots. And I think he should be fairly easy to put away and store fairly nicely. Let's just see. Maybe he goes in. I don't recall which way he was positioned when I opened the box, but he'll go back in and make for nice, easy storing on a shelf in a classroom or in a library. There we go. And so we can put this top piece in. The charging cord could remain at a charging station, and then these other little cards that go with him can be put back in the box. So that's what's in the box if you pick up a Codey Rocky.